G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today I'll be unboxing Marvel United from Cool Mini or Not, which last year finished on Kickstarter and I got in the mail just last week. So the game does come with 7 heroes and 3 villains. The Iron Man, Captain America, Black Widow, Hulk, Captain Marvel, Ant-Man and Wasp, and the villains are Red Skull, Ultron and Taskmaster, all of which are displayed on the front of the box, except for Ant-Man and Wasp, because they were unlocked during the campaign and I think they'd already finished the box art by then. I'll just read to you the flavor text on the back of the box. New threats emerge across the world as supervillains sow discord, seize power and crush ordinary people beneath their heels. What hope remains in a world where their master plans go unopposed? But where powerful villains rise, so too do mighty heroes. They'll travel across the world in a desperate struggle to protect the innocent, face down dire threats, and confront their villains once and for all. It is a 1 to 4 player game. It doesn't say on the box it's average game length, and I'm still yet to play it, but I'm a huge Marvel fan, and these cute little Marvel characters look super fun to paint, and I'm very much looking forward to getting a game in. I do have nearly 100 of these guys to paint, so expect to see a few of these coming up, but the game looks super fun. The characters will be amazing to paint. They're going to be bright and colourful. I do get a painting night every Tuesday with my brothers, so I might just paint one every Tuesday with them and just record it. I did put Nick Fury in the rotation here. Just ignore him, he doesn't come in this box. If you like the music, go check out Gabriel's channel. Once again, thank you for watching. If you did like it, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.